In this video we are going to see that the journey from Jhansi to Delhi. Okay, so I am doing K2K Kanyakumari to Kashmir ride. In this I am going to explore Ladakh also. So currently I am just crossed Jhansi and I am heading towards New Delhi. So I have one of my friend who is going to host me today. So he has shared his location and I am going to his location, and the kilometer it's showing is 420. Don't go to the number. So the kilometer is showing 420. Okay, so and the time it's showing as 8 hours 15 minutes, and we will be reaching around 7:15 PM. Let's hope that we will be reaching before 10 PM because we need to eat and take some rest. So anyway, like if we reach by 10 o'clock, that will be comfortable to take rest also. So whenever I am feeling drowsy, I will just slow down and put my vehicle aside, and then after that we will continue the journey. Sometimes what I will do, I will just eat the chocolates and all, toffees, so it will just give some energy. This is moving house, you can shift from one place to another. Gwalior 16 km, Agra 145. So now I am here in Gwalior, so which comes under MP, so Madhya Pradesh. So previously we started our journey from MP, and then we crossed UP, and then again MP came. Lalitpur and all, it was Jhansi and all, it was in UP, and now Gwalior it is in MP. Then again Agra will come, that will be in UP. So friends, this is the dhaba. I ate lunch and I took rest, and now I'm leaving, and this is the small guy who served me food and all. Now he is taking bath. Okay, let's leave. Just completed my lunch and just started. So today I had rice with the dal. So as I came from South India, so this dhaba food and all I'm not interested to eat and all, but I like North Indian food, aloo paratha, roti sabji, chawal dal and all. That will be like homemade and all. It will be easy for digestions and good for health. But like this, the dhabas guys and all, tandoori roti and chicken and other stuffs and all, they are doing like that. That is not recommendable for the travel and all. So now I ate and I had a little bit nap there, and now feeling better for the ride. हाय भाई, लद्दाख 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 कन्याकुमारी से।
आप कहाँ से आए?
कन्याकुमारी से।
कन्याकुमारी से आए? सही है।
आप कहाँ?
कितने किलोमीटर ट्रैवलिंग करी?
हो गया, बहुत हो गया।
मैं अभी आया हूँ नागपुर सिटी से।
नागपुर से कहाँ जा रहे हो?
मैं जा रहा केदारनाथ।
केदारनाथ जा रहे हो? अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। पानी वानी कुछ है? आगरा चले जाओ, पास में है ना। ओके बाय जी, थैंक यू। It was nice meeting the cyclist. So he is going towards Kedarnath. So one of the beautiful places in India. So you can Google it, you can check it. So one of the best places in India. So from like Maharashtra, he is traveling towards Uttarakhand. So that is too far for him to go by cycle. Okay, so I have given my number and all. If anything, any help, let me know. Whatever I can do, I can do. So now I'm crossing Dholpur. This is Dholpur. Dholpur, not Dholakpur. Okay. Dholpur, it comes under Rajasthan circle. So I thought like it will be in Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh and all, but Dholpur is in Rajasthan. Now I crossed Agra, and next will be Mathura and then Delhi. So 200 more kilometers to go, 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours it's showing as the estimate time of arrival. Okay, so now we are going outskirts of Agra. You see Delhi 177, Mathura 32 and Agra 21. Let's drink sugarcane juice. चलो भाई देख लो, बहुत धन्यवाद. एक ग्लास गन्ने का जूस के लिए. गन्ने का जूस क्या बोलते हो? गन्ने का जूस नहीं, कुछ दूध बोलते हो ना, कुछ दूध बोलते हो. एक ग्लास के लिए धन्यवाद. चलता हूँ. हाँ, ओके. The sugarcane juice was good. Actually, I ordered one and then I ordered another one. Then paid for both of the sugarcane juice. And then after that, I was standing there for past 20 minutes. Okay. So he was explaining about his business and just asked about my ride and all. I was explaining him about the climate, weather, how is the it's so hot here, etc., etc. Then when customer came, he gave sugarcane juice to him and one glass to me also. I said like already my tummy is full. He said no problem, you take it, my gift only. That's why I just said him thank you. Now just heading toward Delhi. So I reached Mathura. Mathura is the place where Lord Krishna born. So the next big city after Mathura will be Delhi. Govardhan, Vrindavan, Faridabad, Delhi, 135. Oh. I think like it is a famous place here. There are many crowds are going toward that location. Okay, I just came petrol bunk. So the amount it was showing 95, and this is Haryana. And in UP it was 94. I thought like after UP directly Delhi circle will come. But here Haryana circle came. Like there is no board or check post which will be visible clearly. Everywhere the dhaba they have written in Hindi. Here only we can see in English. No Hindi. Sarpanch dhaba. But most of the dhabas everywhere it's written Hindi only. This is the toll gate. I think from here Delhi is starting. So here 10 tolls are there and there also 10 tolls are there. I think this is the biggest toll I have seen. And welcome to Delhi. So this is the metro station.
वो वाला चाहिए ना, वो
IND
ऐसा है क्या? कहाँ पे यहाँ पे कि वहीं पे?
दिल्ली में तो है ऐसा कि चिप वाला होना चाहिए.
अब 2 दिन बस रुकूंगा फिर निकल जाऊंगा इसके लिए.
आई थिंक कश्मीर में भी है, तो ऑल ओवर इंडिया है ना, IND आपके नंबर प्लेट में होना चाहिए.
एक दिन यहाँ पे रुक रहा हूँ मैं, देख लेता हूँ मैं।
यहाँ पे रुके हो आप एक दिन, कहाँ पे?
पता नहीं यार, दोस्त ने लोकेशन भेजा, जा रहा हूँ मैं। अभी तो इंडिया गेट जा रहा हूँ, एक फ़ोटो लेके।
घूमने के।
इंडिया गेट में फ़ोटो ले लेंगे फिर जाएंगे।
अच्छा, आपका यूट्यूब चैनल भी होगा?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
How many subscribers?
मेरा कम ही है, 2 ही है, 2K।
2K. अच्छा. You are still trying to reach out to the people, right?
सॉरी,
You're still trying to reach out to the people.
ऐसा नहीं है, अपना पैशन है इसलिए निकल गया मैं।
सैटरडे संडे वीकेंड पे निकल जाता है।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। यह तो 7 साल का प्लान था, अभी एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, तो ऑफिस से छुट्टी ले रखी होगी आपने उसके लिए?
मैं बिजनेस करता हूँ।
खुद का business. तब तो फिर very good. Very right, but nice meeting you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
Happy journey to you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। ये रास्ता सीधा जाता है ना? मैं नीचे जाने वाला था लेकिन पता नहीं मैं।
इंडिया गेट आप नीचे से जाओगे, ऊपर से जाओगे, बोतल से मिले।
ओके,
गेट नीचे वाला भी सामने निकल रहा है।
अच्छा
गेट
अच्छा,
सामने ही निकलेगा।
ओके। ये मैप दिखा रहा था तो नीचे जाने से ट्रैफिक नहीं होता ना?
मैप इज डिफॉल्ट।
हाँ।
मैप तो
अब
you cannot follow maps, you want to follow his instincts. That's it.
नहीं नहीं, वही देखा था मैं यहाँ से, नहीं तो स्किप कर देता अभी, ट्रैफिक ना, नीचे जाता मैं।
तो आप हर राइड के बाद इसकी सर्विस करवाते होगे?
हर राइड के पास नहीं, क्यों?
कम से कम आप 1000 किलोमीटर से चल के जाएंगे।
नहीं नहीं, उसमें सर्विस क्यों? सर्विस तो 3-4 किलोमीटर के बाद ही।
ओके सर, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
ओके, बाय 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 बाय। So these guys found me in the traffic signal and they were asking me that from where you are coming and where you are going. So guys, they were asking me that number plate should contain IND, but my number plate is normal one. So they are telling compulsory IND should be there in Delhi. And they think so that in Jammu Kashmir also IND number plates are only allowed. Let's see. Thank you. So in front entrance it's not allowed, and now it is the back entrance. So here it is allowed, and I have taken the pictures and I'm leaving now. Okay, bye bye Indicate. क्या वो टो करना है? धक्का मारो,
बैटरी शायद डाउन
धक्का मारो।
नहीं होगा। बैटरी डाउन नहीं हुई है। स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही गाड़ी।
मैं टो कर रहा हूँ मैं, धक्का मारता हूँ मैं।
तो कर रहे हो आप?
हाँ, टो कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद स्टार्ट चेक करो।
नहीं रहा। हाँ? अरे तो करो।
थोड़ी दूर तक करूँगा, उसके बाद हो जाएगा, देखते हैं फिर, नहीं तो घूम के आना पड़ेगा फिर। छोड़ो।
Thank you for your help. Thank you so much.
So I just came around like 3 to 4 times of India Gate, and then after that only I have identified that in the back entrance we can take photographs and all with the vehicle. In front gate it is totally not allowed. We can't even like stand there. They are just clearing the traffic there.